What was your first impression of Kenya compared to Ghana?
The people here are welcoming. Welcoming. Here everywhere, karibu, kaka, everywhere. So you feel this welcoming energy as you approach the airport. Even the guards outside the airport, after dropping from the plane, going inside the airport, passport control and all, everyone is telling you karibu, karibu. So Ghana, I didn't get much of it.
What was Ghana like there?
Well, I guess like the United States, let's say that.
Yeah, when I was there, I got that same vibe. It was like, I'm in Africa, but like this is like a watered down version compared to. And Kenya's not that much of a culture shock. I remember you told me that, but it still feels different than being where we're from.